These UK prisoners just unalived a sex offender in his prison cell, and they were smiling before they did it. This video was captured inside a prison in the United Kingdom. It shows 19-year-old Ashirie Smith and 21-year-old Thierry Robinson laughing and smirking before they walked to the cell of 35-year-old Mahir Abdulrahma. After they went inside, the camera didn't see what happened, but just 37 seconds later, they casually walked out and went back to their cells. When a prison officer checked Abdulrahman's cell, they found him lying on the floor, unconscious and barely alive. He was rushed for medical treatment, but he was pronounced unalived less than an hour later. Doctors said he died from bleeding to the brain, caused by a brutal beating. At the time, Abdulrahman was serving a 35-week sentence for sex offenses. Just days before he was killed, he had reportedly asked to be moved to a different cell, because some prisoners didn't like him, and he feared for his safety. Authorities later found out that Smith and some other inmates had been harassing Abdulrahman for days, and he was scared something bad was going to happen. When Smith and Robinson were interviewed, they claimed they only went into the cell to talk about a previous issue, and that Abdulrahman was alive when they left. Ashirie Smith was later found guilty of murder and was sentenced to life in prison, with a minimum of 17.5 years, before he can apply for parole. Robinson was found guilty of manslaughter, and was sentenced to 11 years in prison. Like, share, and follow for more true crime.